You're gonna love this. You can't touch this, 'cause I'm a bad bitch.
We hit the elevator right up to the rooftop. The bass is pumping, make me wanna screw the top off. Yeah, we'll be drinking and nobody's gonna stop us. And we'll be kissing anybody that's around us. I just wanna have fun tonight. Love this shit. Put me under the flashing light. Let me blow up this house tonight. Blow.
Hold up with my nose up and that rose up and that finger. I'm froze up and my stove up cause he eating like it's his dinner. I run shit, I don't fall back cause I'm on track, I'm a sprinter. I'm bounced up, I got him outstruck, it's not a toss up, I'm the winner. Beat, bitch move, for I bang bang with that ooze. That's Mew Mew on my shoes, ain't got a thing left for me to prove. It's that bottle service all night, it's that poppin' urban just right. It's that go hard or go home zone, bitch, I'm Madonna, these hoes know.
We go hard or we go home, we gon' do this all night long. We get freaky if you want, nah, 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 nah. We go hard or we go home, we gon' do this all night long. We get freaky if you want, bitch, I'm Madonna.
We do it like this. You're gonna love this. You can't touch this.